Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to quickly remove ratings from photos in iOS 27 on your iPhone and iPad. If you have assigned star ratings to photos or videos in the Photos app and no longer want to keep them, iOS 27 makes it pretty easy to remove those ratings at any time. Clearing a rating can help you reorganize your photo library, start a new rating system, or simply remove labels you no longer find helpful. That's it. Let's get started. So first we have to launch the Photos app on your iPhone or iPad. Then you have to navigate to the specific image. After that, you have to hit the star button located at the top right. And then you have to choose the Remove Rating option in the menu. And that's all there is to it. Note that if you want to remove the ratings from all photos at once, just head over to the Settings app. Then you have to choose Apps. After that, you have to scroll down to find the Photos app and select it. Then you have to head over to the app settings section and choose View Options. And finally, you have to disable the toggle located right next to Show Rating Controls, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily remove a rating from your photos or videos. You can always assign a new rating later if you decide to organize your library differently. Keeping your ratings up to date makes it easier to sort, filter, and manage your favorite memories. Now that you have unlocked this pretty cool feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.